Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to install Docker and Docker Compose on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS by following its official documentation. So let's get started. At first, open your favorite web browser and browse this URL docs.docker.com engine install Ubuntu. Okay, and then select Ubuntu and then follow this instruction to install Docker on Ubuntu. And this is the OS requirements. To install Docker engine, you need the 64-bit version of one of these Ubuntu versions. This is the latest LTS version. I'm going to install it on this version. Okay, scroll down and then copy this command and open a new terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T at the same time. Hit enter. Now enter the password for this user. Docker engine depends on container and RunC. Docker engine handles these dependencies as one bundle, container.io. If you have installed the container or run C previously, uninstall them to avoid conflicts with the versions bundle with Docker engine. Using this, run the following command to uninstall all conflicting packages. Okay, now I am going to install it using the apt repository. So set up Docker apt repository, copy this and go back to the terminal and paste here. Okay, now hit enter. It may take a while for updating the system. Type Y, then hit enter. Okay, now I am going to install the latest version of Docker package. Copy this command, or if you want to install the specific version of Docker, then select this and then follow this instruction. But I'm going to install the latest version of Docker. So copy this and paste here. Hit enter to install Docker with the Docker Compose. Type Y, then hit enter to continue installation. It may take a while for installing Docker and Docker Compose. After installation, verify that Docker is running using this command. That's it. Docker service is running. It is active. Okay. Press Ctrl plus C at the same time to exit. If Docker is not running, then start it manually using this command. Okay, verify that the installation is successful by running the hello world image. So copy this and paste here, hit enter. It may take a while for pulling this image. If you see this message, hello from Docker, that means the Docker is working properly. Okay, now I am going to install Docker Compose plugin that I already have installed. I am going to verify that Docker Compose is installed correctly by the checking the version. That's it. And also check the Docker version. That's it. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this video.